Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be doing a DIY gel manicure at home, and it's only going to cost you, well actually it's going to cost you less than that, but it costs less than $12, so you can't beat that. So we're going to do that today. So if you're interested, please keep watching. I don't really like to spend all my money at a nail salon when I could do it at home. So I went and got the gel manicure because my nails naturally grow really long. I don't know if you can see that, you can tell. These are my real nails. So they grow really long naturally. So I don't wear false nails or acrylics and all that stuff. And then when I've tried to wear them in the past, I don't know, I just don't like them. So I just usually use my natural nails, and I'll get my natural nails done when I go to the nail salon. And then, so I started to do the gel manicures, and I fell in love with gel manicures because they last so long, like they last for a long time. So a lot of times I don't have to worry about doing my nails for like 2 weeks, you know. Now when I went to my local nail salon, I've done it quite a few times. Sometimes I just do it just because I want to kind of let somebody else do my nails. But a lot of times I noticed when I used to go get my nails done, the gel manicure, my nails would, after like maybe 4 days, it'll start to peel. And I'm like, it's supposed to last me 2 weeks, or, you know, at least a week. And I know a couple times it didn't last me a week. And then when you go, you're like spending $25 for the manicure itself, plus, you know, you have to tip the lady, you know, or the man. So it's like, I'm not spending that much money all the time just to get my nails done. So after that, I was like, okay, so what else can I do to get the gel, you know, manicure and do it at home? So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Wish, that Wish app, or Wish.com. Comment down below if you know what Wish is, or you use Wish, or you shop at Wish. I love Wish. I am actually addicted to Wish, but I found the things that I needed to do a DIY gel manicure. I found it on the Wish app, and so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so pretty much, of course, you're going to need your base coat and your top coat. So excuse me, I got these two polishes. This is your base, this is the base, and this is the top coat. It came and came together, and it was only $3 on the Wish site. Now these are small tubes, as you can see, they're kind of small. That's how they look. But yeah, these are kind of small, but I've used these, I think, I can't even count on my hands how many gel manicures I've done, and I still have a nice amount of this polish left. So even though it's a smaller tube, it's still, you know, you still can get a lot of gel manicures out of this, and I'm still, like I said, I'm still using it. And I've recently, since I started doing the gel manicures, that's pretty much all I do. So I don't even use the regular polish like I used to. So it lasts a long time. So like I said, these are $3 together. I purchased it for $3. I might have had to pay maybe $1 for the shipping, because most of the stuff, if you don't know about Wish, most of the stuff comes from China, so it takes a while for it to get there. But it's super cheap, and the shipping wasn't that bad. So I might have ended up paying $4 for the whole thing. And then they have different colors. I do have a few, so I just want to show you guys a few of them, and so you can know how they look. They're all small bottles, guys. All of them are kind of small, but they, like I said, it lasts long. It's like you still get a lot of use out of these bottles. Now these, they're numbered. All the polishes are numbered. They're kind of like, they have the swatches on the website. They have like little swatches and they're numbered. Kind of like when you go to the nail salon, how they have the numbered swatches, different colors. So pretty much you'll just pick what colors you want. And they, like I said, this is like a pretty, I think, a pretty gray. So they have different colors. They even have mood polish. I have 2 mood polishes already. I have a blue mood polish, and I have this one that's like kind of like a burgundy red color. So they have cute colors, guys. And like I said, these, I think all of these, I think I spent $2 each for each balm, for each polish, because I think the actual polish itself is like $1, and then you pay like $1 shipping. And then some of them might have end up being $3, because I think some of them was like $2 and then you had to pay $1 shipping. So, but yeah, they're super cheap. It's not that bad. And you, like I said, you got a lot of wear out of them. So that's just kind of how a few of them look that I bought. But it's super, as far as the polish goes, you know, that's where you can go. You can go on the Wish app. You don't have to, but I go on the Wish app and I get my polishes that way, and it's cheap, it's super inexpensive, and like I said, they have tons and tons of colors that you can choose from, so it's really cool. Okay, and then the only thing else that you need is the light to dry your nails, and I got that from Wish as well. So this is just a little portable USB kind of USB attachment that you just plug in. So this doesn't require batteries. You just simply have somewhere where you can plug this into. You can either use your phone charger. Like sometimes I'll use my charger cube like this. I'll use my charger cube and like I'll plug it in like that. Oops. And then plug it into the wall. Or I'll take my laptop and I'll just put this into my laptop, and then it's got like a little button. It's got a little button there where you can press the button and it just lights up, and then you can dry your nails, and you just put your nails under like that. So it's so cool. This only cost me $6. I think this cost me, yeah, it's cost me $6. I think the shipping actually was free. So $6 for the light, then you paid like $3 for the top coat and the base coat, and then of course your polish. So okay, you got 6, 9, 2, so like $11 pretty much. But that's like the actual thing that you know, so it's like $11 when you think about it, if you just got the light, just your basic, and then of course you can get your other colors later on. But the thing about it that's so cool, y'all, is that, you know, it's not just like you're buying that one time and that's it. You know, you can use those polishes over and over and over, so you can get, you know, use more gel manicures and do more gel manicures at home over and over and over. And in the meanwhile, you're not spending $25 a pop each time. You're, you know, spending way less than that. So I'm like, I don't know, guys. I am just a person that loves to do my own nails. I'm just into that DIY kind of type of lifestyle. If I can find a way to do it, I'm going to find a way to do it on my own. So yeah, so that's kind of just giving you the gist of what I use to do the gel manicure, and then I'm going to show you guys how I actually do it, so you can actually see how it works. But it's super simple. You just use your base coat, you just have your base coat, your top coat, and then just a color. So yeah. how I do my gel manicures at home. Please comment down below and let me know if you do gel manicures at home too, or if you don't do them but will start. Let me know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please get on that so you can keep up with all the content I'm going to have on this channel. Also, guys, if you have any suggestions of anything that you would like to see on this channel, let me know also in the comment section. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for next week's video. Videos every Thursday. Every Thursday. Okay, I'm gonna stop acting stupid at this point, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.